Hi guys, welcome back to my channel once again. Today I'm going to show you how we can install this Linuxfx, the latest one, that is 10.4. So we can use the VirtualBox to install and see what is the difference between the Windows and then Linuxfx. Though they are similar, there are something which is still not the same as the Windows. But some of you who are fans of this Windows can also shift from Windows to Linux, because you will not feel that much difference. Okay, so before starting the installation process, you should have the iOS downloaded here, so which is free. So you can go to the Google and then download this Linuxfx or image file, and you keep here, which I have done already. So let's start up this Oracle VM VirtualBox. I'm using the VirtualBox for this demo class. So now let's start up our VirtualBox here. And this VirtualBox, you can also download the latest VirtualBox from the Google itself. It is also free software. So now let's go to the new and start. So let's give a name here. So it is Linuxfx 10. So we give here 10.4. okay. And then it's already selected. It is a Linux base, so it automatically selected. So we'll go to the next, and let's give us a 2 GB of RAM here. Okay, we go to the next, because 2 GB is the minimum requirement for this one. So if you give more, it is the performance will be better, but it's okay if you don't have that. You can give 2 GB also, it's enough. And the hard disk, they need at least 20 GB. 16 GB is recommended, but as of now I'm going to give 20 so that we don't have any problem later on. So that now it's done. So now when I start this, they will ask for this, where is the image file located. So they will navigate, so no problem, we will just direct to the image iOS. So let's start that. Now we have 5 already here. Now you can see there is asking the where is the image. So we can just click that, go to the add, and we'll direct to the desktop where our image file are. So now you can see here Linuxfx 10.4. So we can just click choose, and then you can start off that. So now the Oracle 6.1 VirtualBox started, and this will take a few minutes. And starting itself, you can see that the logo of the Windows is already starting up. So you will not feel, those of you who are fans of Windows will be very happy to see that the Windows logo popping up at the very first start of the installation. And you can see here I am also using the Windows here. So if you want to shift from Windows to Linux, it is also good. So here the Windows startup and all these things are similar, and they have by default the VLC player is already installed in the here Linuxfx, and you will be very happy to see that. So now it will take some few minutes like now. So now here they ask login and all that. So now the starting of the installation process has already begun, so we have to wait a little bit. Now as you can see, our Linuxfx is already here, the Windows 10. So the start menu pop-up is here, and the Linuxfx, you can see the start menu. See, it's very similar. And by this default, they have installed even the Google Chrome, which I already installed here in Windows 10. And they have a Office Libra, which is the default Office they have given, similar to this Microsoft Office. So let's first complete the installation here, then we can see the things ahead of us. So now you can click here the English. So I've choose the English language, okay, and then we just give this attention a little bit here. What do you want to do? Start the installation process. So let's begin that, or you can also double click this, the same thing here. Okay, so the installation will begin, and this will take some time. So that is done. Now here This is the language of the American English, so we select the English here. During the installation process, whatever they need, they will just pull everything from the internet. So if you have internet, that's good. So now here FX OS, so we click next, and now New York, so you can just select your this one. So we will take to this Asia, and then we will choose this one to, let's say yeah, Kolkata is okay, I think. Yeah, it's there. So now next, and then by the Indian this thing, so and then default you can just put to here English. Okay, so just put the English India then. And now I want all these things to be erase this, and then everything I want to use it, and then you can give the name of the person. So let's give here right now, I'm going to give as admin, and the password, just give the system password as of now. So please remember this one, as they will ask you again after when your installation is over and you want to log in. Okay, so now here everything is okay. Now the current partitions, that's okay, so we click next to install that. So now install now. So now the installation process will start, and this will take some time, so you don't worry, you just go and grab your coffee and you can sip it and you can do your work, and after some time you come back and it will be over. So we will resume when the installation is over. So guys, now it is done, so let's click this done, and we will wait for the restart. As now you can see it is restarting, and then you can see the Windows logo is popping up. It is starting to load after the installation. So I'm sure like those of you who like Linux, so you can shift slowly from the Windows to Linux base. So it will not feel that much difference, because the looks of Windows 10 and this Linuxfx 10.4 is almost similar, and you already have a default of VLC, and that you already have a built-in of Google Chrome, and you shouldn't have problem. So you can just familiarize yourself with the Linux as well. So guys, now this is done, so now we can log in. So the first starting order, you have to put the password which we have done, so give enter, and now the system will start up. So when this command come, like you can just click here, you can just cancel that. So now you can start so as you can see, now the installation is over, and this is how it look like. Let's go to our personalization here, desktop background. You can see, we can also check. Now you can see here there is a also similar background here. Just click that and it will be applied. See, automatically now exactly the same, but they have put this image just to differentiate that this is a distros version. Otherwise you can see all this, you can see that feel same. This thing here, control panel, everything is already there. Moreover, they have made exactly as the Windows 10 that you can see here. Control panel is here, see here, even the settings and all, they try their best to make the same exact carbon copy of this Windows 10. See the devices here, so you can just right click here. I hope this video has been informative for you, and like to thank you and see you in the next video. Thank you.